Hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Welcome to Texas, and I wanted to talk with you today about our Texas soils. And what you're going to find is this soil we have around here is completely different from the soils that you might find, especially up north. The soil that we have around here is a very alkaline, heavy clay. And what that means then is that the particles that are in this clay, they're very tiny as opposed to more sandy soils that we might see over in East Texas or on up north. And so that means a couple of different things. Number one, watering wise, is that we can't water for long lengths of time and hope that it soaks in. We have to break the watering up into short 10-minute bursts, because that's about as much water as a spray as our clay soil will absorb from a normal spray head. The other thing that we need to keep in mind is it's an alkaline soil, and it really doesn't matter how much sulfur that we put out on that soil, it's still going to be an alkaline soil. And I can remember hearing one of the A&M turf gurus talking about that. Up north, you apply sulfur to change the pH, and he was commenting you could apply an entire truckload of sulfur on our clay soil and not have it change the pH at all. So I do know some lawn health companies around will add that as a service. It's really not necessary in this area. It doesn't do any harm, but it also doesn't help any. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green. Village Green, local experience you can trust.